So when your freedom depends on someone who doesn't value freedom, it's precarious. If we want to establish lasting freedom, what we must do above all is teach more people to value and demand and defend freedom. Otherwise, it will be very easy for us to lose it. Nowadays, there are new ways to lose your freedom. For instance, visiting websites. Many websites attempt to install non-free software into your computer, into your browser. The software is written in JavaScript and it's found in web pages. And if you let that get installed, you're running non-free software. So therefore, when I browse, I turn off JavaScript. And the other thing is that nowadays people are invited, instead of doing their own computing in their own computers, to do it in somebody else's server. That's called software as a service. And if you use that, you lose control of your computing, because it's done inside somebody else's server, and he controls the software which does it, and you don't. So, using software as a service means that the user sends all the relevant data to the server, which does his computing on it, and then sends the result back to him, or it takes action for him. But since the user doesn't control that computing, it's the equivalent of using a proprietary program. But it's worse than that. Some proprietary programs have spyware features that transmit data to somebody else's server. They have specific code to transmit that data. With software as a service, there's no specific code. The user just sends his data to the server, but it's the same result. The server keeps that data. But it's worse than that. Some proprietary programs have a back door that allows someone to install software changes forcibly, like Windows. With software as a service, the server operator can change the software at any time, and by doing so, can change how the user's computing is done. It's the same result, but achieved without any special code in the user's own machine. The result is software as a service is inherently equivalent to using a proprietary program with spyware and a backdoor. So you must not use software as a service. Fortunately, it's pretty rare. Most websites just publish information. There's no reason you should look at that information. That's not software as a service. If we look at the minority of sites that provide some non-trivial service that don't just publish data, most of those are not software as a service. Most of them do communication or publication. So it's only a rare minority that do software as a service, but they do exist, and you've got to be on the lookout for them. For instance, Google Docs is software as a service. Google Docs invites people to do their word processing in a Google server instead of doing it on their own computers. And that you shouldn't do. Now, I should say a little bit at this, well, also I should point out that there are other problems that network services can have. Even if they're not software as a service, there's still the question of what data are you giving them, and what will they do with that data. Don't fall into the habit of careless computing, where you entrust your data and control of your computing to just about everybody without careful scrutiny of whether they deserve your trust. It's very rare that any business could deserve your trust about such things. So, think twice about what data you are confiding to them and whether they're going to control any of your computing. Now, this doesn't mean all web services are bad. If you want to post a comment on a site, by all means do so. You want it to be published. So, of course, everyone's going to see it. That's what you want. No problem there. Now, I'd like to say a little bit about free software and government. Government agencies must use exclusively free software. Every government agency has a job to do on behalf of the public. And it therefore has a responsibility to maintain full control of its computing in order to do its computing properly for the public. And thus, the agency must never allow control of its computing to fall into private hands, which is exactly what happens if it uses a proprietary program. So the government agency has a duty to the public to use only free software.